أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So inshallah today let's learn ayah number 26 to 30 of Surah Ar-Rahman. Okay. First I'm going to recite. After that inshallah let's look into Tajweed rulings. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. كل من عليها فان ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. يسأله من في السماوات والأرض كل يوم هو في شأن. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. Alhamdulillah, very simple ayahs. Just 3 new ayahs to learn. Alhamdulillah, let's begin with ayah number 26. كل من عليها فان. Kullu. Emphasize this letter lam because it has tajdeed. Put a stress on it. Kullu. Man. No gunna on noon sakin. Just to do izhar because the next letter is huruf al-halqi, the throat letter. Kullu man alayha. It's not a, it is a ayn, a. If you pronounce this ayn like hamza, then you're doing lahn al-jali. Okay. Alayha. Lay. One count only, just little more than one count, but not two haraka. Alayha. 2 count inshallah. Fan. Noon will acquire a temporary sukoon, so this mad is due to temporary sukoon. Madul arid lis sukoon, where we can stretch this alif maddiya either for 2 haraka or 4 or 6 haraka, but we will just keep for 4 count inshallah throughout this lesson. كل من عليها فان ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام. ويبقى. Why this tajdeed on waw? Only if we do wasal. فَنِيُّ وَيَبْقَى, or else we will not consider this tajdeed because no word in Arabic can start with tajdeed or sakin. We cannot just tell like وَيَبْقَى is wrong. It's just because of the previous letter ending with tanween. Okay. وَيَبْقَى ba sakin qalqala. وَيَبْقَى not yabqa. Yabqa is wrong. وَيَبْقَى alif makhsura, the standing fatha followed by this ya. Will not read this ya, just the standing fatha. For 2 count. وَيَبْقَى. Make qaf heavy. Don't say وَيَبْقَى. Qa is very light. Qaf is a heavy letter. Huruf al-musta'aliya. Make it heavy. وَيَبْقَى. Wajhu. Jim also with the qalqala. Just like ba, Jim is also pronounced with the qalqala while in sakin. Wajhu. Wajh. It's not wajh. This is wrong. Wajh. Wajh. Bounce its sound. Okay. Wajhu rabbika. Ra heavy. Rabbika. Dhul jalali. There is waw maddiya here, but we will not recite it. Why? Because we have already learned when waw, alif or ya maddiya is followed by hamzatul wasl, we will cancel this alif, waw and ya maddiya. Okay, just cancel it. Don't say dhul jalali, just dhul jalali. Dhul jalali. Zal with no buzzing sound. Don't say zul. Zul is wrong. Dhul Jalali. This lam with standing fatha for 2 haraka. Dhul Jalali wal Ikram. Kaf with hums. Lot of breath should come out. Lot of air should come out. Wal ik. Okay. Wal Ikram. Ra with fatha is heavy. Alif mad will also become heavy. And while doing madul arid listakun, stretching it, we can stretch it for 4 haraka inshallah. 2, 4 or 6, but we will keep just for 4 count inshallah. ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان فبأي. Don't say فبأي. If you say I, you're making it very soft like huruf al-leen. Okay, you should do nabar here, rise the accent and say فبأي أي, and don't emphasize this ya so much that which creates a vibration. Don't create any kind of vibration like فبأي. This vibration should not be there. Okay, emphasize it, put a stress, and also don't make it so soft like huruf al-leen. فبأي أي. This is enough. Okay, فبأي آلاء. Hamza for 2 harakat. This lam with alif maddiya for 4 count inshallah. Hamza, this Hamza just for 1 count. فبأي آلاء ربكما. Ra heavy. Emphasize this ba. Stretch alif maddiya for 2 haraka. ربكما تكذبان. Zal with no buzzing sound, and this alif saghira for 2, 4 or 6 count inshallah. We'll just keep for 4 haraka while doing waqf. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان يسأله من في السماوات والأرض كل يوم هو في شأن. Okay, يسأله. Yes, seen with a whistling sound. يسأله. Ha with inverted dhamma. This is mad al sila sughra, right? When we see this inverted dhamma at the end of a word which has ha, then we'll call it as mad al sila sughra, but we'll just can call it as inverted dhamma as well, because that is madul asli. Stretch it for 2 haraka. Yas'aluhu man, noon sakin followed by fa. So now do ikhfa with 2 count gunna. Ma'fi. Okay, 2 haraka gunna, but by hiding it, ikhfa. Ma'fi. Now this ya mad is cancelled while connecting due to this connecting hamza. Ma'fi samawati. Samawati. Mim and waw for 2 count. Wal arb. This hamza for 1 count and make it light. Don't make it heavy due to this ra and dod, because ra sakin and dod will be heavy, and in this dod don't do qalqala. It is a letter of rikhava where actually we will continue its sound for a little time. At least for 1 haraka we'll have to stop at its makhraj like wal arb. Okay, what is the makhraj of dot? The hafatal is on the side of your tongue, should touch the upper gums, the gums of your molar and premolar teeth, right? So just keep that tongue over there for at least 1 haraka, so that you don't do any qalqala, or else it will end up wal arb, just like qalqala, right? So better keep your tongue there itself, continue its sound wal arb. Okay, in this way you have to keep the tongue there itself for at least 1 haraka, so that you don't do qalqala. Fine. Why are we stopping? Because of this waqf al mutlaq. Can you see this ta here? Ta means waqf al mutlaq, absolute stopping. Better to stop at this point instead of continuing. It is better to stop, and also the ayah is long. Instead of stopping it somewhere here, here and here, better you stop here, take a new breath and continue from here. Okay. كل يوم هو في شأن. كل لام مشدد, emphasize it. يوم, not yo is wrong. يوم, no غنة تنوين. Next letter is ها, حروف الحلق. كل يوم هو, هو, one count. في, two حركة. شأن, you can see there is fatha, but it is not followed by alif, it is hamza. Why? Because as soon as you see sakin on alif, that is no more alif, it is hamza. So don't say huwa fi shan, it is not shan, it is hamza. Do a jerk, okay? Pronounce it with a jerk or a cut off sound. Fi sha'n, sha'n, okay? Sha'n, in this way. And also pronounce noon with sakin here. So no stretching is applied here because there is no huruf al mad. Just to say fi sha'n, sha'n, okay? يسأله من في السماوات والأرض كل يوم هو في شأن فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. فبأي, same thing, emphasize it correctly and also don't make it so soft like فبأي, this is wrong. فبأي آلاء, hamza to haraka, lam for 4 count. ربكما, ra heavy. تكذبان, no buzzing sound in letter zal, and you can stretch this alif صغيرة for haraka inshallah. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. Alhamdulillah, we have completed learning. So now inshallah let's recite this. Okay, first I'm going to recite and keep your mics muted. Listen to me and recite wherever you are. Just your mics are mute, okay? But you'll have to recite after me inshallah. Okay, let's begin. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Pronounce that أعوذ correctly. Don't say أعوذ. أعوذ is wrong. أعوذ. Okay? Fine. كل من عليها فان ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. يسأله من في السماوات والأرض كل يوم هو في شأن فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. Okay, let's recite together now inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
كل من عليها فان
كل من عليها فان
كل من عليها فان
كل من عليها فان
ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام.
ويبقى
وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام.
ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام.
ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
يسأله من في السماوات والأرض.
يسأله في السماوات والأرض.
يسأله من في السماوات والأرض.
يسأله من في السماوات والأرض
كل يوم هو في شأن.
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 فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
كل من عليها فان.
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 ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام.
ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام.
Okay, قلقلة in two places. ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام.
ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام.
Kaf with hams. Ik. Okay. ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام.
ويبقى ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام.
ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام.
ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
يسأله من في السماوات والأرض.
يسأله من في السماوات والأرض.
يسأله من في السماوات والأرض.
يسأله من في السماوات والأرض
كل يوم هو في شأن.
كل يوم هو في الشأن.
كل يوم هو في شأن.
كل يوم هو في شأن.
Okay, don't say sha'an. Hamza should be with a jerk. Sha'an, sha'an. MashaAllah. يسأله من في السماوات والأرض.
يسأله من في السماوات والأرض.
Okay, this noon should not be so clear like man. It should be hidden. Fi, mau. Okay, ikhfa. يسأله من في السماوات والأرض.
يسأله من في السماوات والأرض
كل يوم هو في شأن.
كل يوم هو في شأن.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Don't pronounce IE, no Hamza, IE is wrong. IE. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Okay, mashallah, barakallah feekum, alhamdulillah. Very beautiful and easy ayahs. I hope you understood the tajweed rulings. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Any doubts in these ayahs related to tajweed?
Madam, the last 29 huwa fi shan.
Yeah, sha'n. This even that noon should not be with the qalqala. Like it should not sound sha'n. No is wrong. Fi sha'n. Sha'n. Noon should be completely stopped there. It should not bounce. It sound like fi sha'n. No is wrong. Okay. Huwa fi sha'n. Sha'n. Noon should little bit continue, but it should not. Bounce. Fine.
Okay, ma'am. Jazakallah.
Wayyaki khair. Any other doubts?
Assalamu alaikum, sister.
Walaikum salam. Yeah.
And that same 29 ayah, kulla yawmim, mim, no? That is mim.
Yeah, just min, noon, tanween, right? Min, yawmin, huwa.
Yawmin huwa.
Yeah. Alhamdulillah. Okay, any other doubts? No? Alhamdulillah. Barakallahu feekum. Let's end the meeting. Practice it well. Just 3 new ayahs to learn. And especially for bi ayyi. Don't say for bi ayyi. E is wrong. For bi ayyi. Ayyi. Okay? Alhamdulillah. So let's end the meeting inshallah. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun. Wa salamun ala al-mursaleen. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullahu khairan.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته وإياك.